lesson, students will be able to use models to find a fractional part of a group.
Students will be able to use models to find a fractional part of a group. I can use models to find a part of the group.
Excellent. So what does it mean to find a part of a group? When we see the word fractional, what does it make you think of?
It makes me think of the same fractions of the numerator and the denominator to find the right group to make it be in.
Okay, so we all understand that a fraction is a part of a group. And when we use models, what are some of the things that we do? Laniel?
We can draw like a table and divide it into the part, like for example, we're using eighths, and we can label each part, after we cut it up into eighths, we can label each part 1/8.
Okay, so what you're actually going to be doing today is you're going to be using manipulatives, you're going to be drawing models, and you're going to do all this while working with fractions. Okay, boys and girls, so you've drawn an array to show 2/3 of 12. And who can tell me, what is 2/3 of 12? Laniel?
8.
8, very good. So we have 2/3 of the stamps is going to be 8 stamps. Very good. So what I want you to do is, we're going to find 4/6 of 12 by using counters. So how many counters are you going to need? Francesca?
12.
12 counters, very good. And since that denominator tells us how many groups, how many equal groups we're going to create, then how many groups are we going to have? Namarashi?
6.
6, very good. Okay, so now that you've found 4/6 of 12, who can tell me what answer did they get? What is 4/6 of 12? Laniel?
8.
8, very good. So isn't it interesting how we got the same answer? I want you to think about all that we've been learning today, to construct an argument to explain why the answer is the same as when you found 2/3 of 12. You're going to record your answers in the consensus mat. As you record your answers on the consensus mat, remember to record it on the outside of the mat. The inside is for when you finally agreed on an answer. Okay. Now that you've recorded your answer, I want you to share your answer with your teammates.
My answer was 4/6 of 12 is the same as 2/3 of 12 because 4/6 is equivalent to 2/3.
I also got that too, and I also wrote it is the same because 4/6 is equivalent to 2/3. Why? Because 4 going to 2 times and 2 going to 6 3 times.
I got the same answer because I wrote it is the same because 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6 of 12.
So we all agree.
Yes.
Okay. So what I want you to do is, who's the recorder for each team? Please raise your hands. Okay, so recorders, you are going to take all the answers that your teammates gave you, and you're going to write one final answer in the center of your consensus map. And you guys can talk to each other so that you can make sure that it's a really good argument. That you're using the vocabulary that we've learned today, and also that you're using keywords.
As is the same as 2/3.
You know, answers were the same because the fraction 2/3.
You were right with the 4/6. Let's write 4/6 right there where we had wrote 2/3. 4/6 is the 6 of 12.
4/6 that would equal to.
What's the word 4/6 back?
Equal to 2/3. So
4/6 of 12
I agree
is
because
the same as
the fraction
2/3
2/3
of 12.
and
And
12.